Hey everybody, it's Dave. I am back here with the drill till. Makes gardening fun and easy. Gets rid of weeds, digs holes, tills soil, and the shaft expands 18 to 36 inches. I mean, this guy's not having any problem at all. She's smiling. Dang. Having a good time. So, anyways, I don't know if they're associated with Milwaukee, but are made in the USA. I like to see that. There's a Ryobi. And then here's what comes in. It comes in a blister pack, you know, and has a tilling head, a weed out head, and what I'm going to use today has the hole digger. So anyways, mount it up. Oh, also comes with this little wrench for these locking nuts. Nice touch for the nylon locking nuts. And you can see the head just gets sandwiched between two plates. And then the same wrench is used if you want to extend the shaft. This is the 36-inch version, and it's supposed to do it from standing up. So hold on a second. Here's what I want to do. You can see this soil is not growing a thing. I think this is probably made for, you know, raised kind of beds and all that. But what I did last year, you know, a couple months ago, not a couple months ago, probably 8 or 10 months ago, is I went ahead and buried my our food scraps in the ground, and we've gotten some great results. I mean, everything you're looking at looked like this, you know, for I don't know, the last decade or so. We've had the house for just a couple years, and here we go, a little lizard. I got a little family of lizards living at every corner of the house, doing his job, keeping bugs out. Armenian cucumber there. These are luffa vines. Oh, we're so glad to see these pollinators. Been a rough year for bees. So there's some luffas. Those are going to turn into loofahs. I don't know the deal. Anyways, all I had to say, look what food scraps have done. And digging through our clay soil is tough. So here we go. Let's put this drill till to the test. You can see I'm not really good at that. Alright, hold on a second. Let me tighten this on. Alright, let's get attached to our drill. Make sure we're on. I'm always going to make sure you're on the flats right there, you know. So, see, I kind of like to put it, I don't want to go too close. So I like walking through there, but this will be the most chance of success. And we've had a lot of rain, so let's see what we got here. Holy cow. It's doing it. Oh, we're darn. I'm using my DeWalt 20 volt. You can hear the battery's not as happy as it could be. This thing is burned up. Granted, I did a couple houses with it. So, hey, hold on a second. I'm gonna go get another battery. That's embarrassing. Maybe we'll do some like mood music. Where is, I got a full battery on standby because DeWalt gives you 2, and it's these are tiny batteries, so I kind of wonder what an impact driver, you know, what an impact driver would do with this thing. That could be awesome. Anyways, okay, so back to the old garden. I'm kind of trying to transform more soil everywhere. Just a bunch of organics, right? So, alright, fresh battery. Come on, DeWalt. Oh, yeah. So, I noticed the bow. Oh, there's a rock. Can it get to a rock? I mean, that's a good test, right? Woo! Nope, stuck. You guys, I got it stuck down there. Whoa, hold on. I have those water containers to catch any runoff. There, oh yeah. Boom. It's like an earthquake. Heaved it out of there. Well, that sucks, but I gotta say, as promised, man, the drill too. Whoa. I would say the drill till works. Yeah, the drill till absolutely works. Hold on, let's go get a shovel. I'm amazed. I didn't think this was going to work. I didn't even have my shovel ready. Don't look back here, man. It's a mess. But that's what side yards are for. This is the quickest I've been able to bury food scraps. In fact, I don't do it very often because I get tired digging. I thought, boy, with this rain and with my brand new made in the USA drill till, let's knock it out. Let's give it a shot. I'm really pleased. Alright, well, so to do a big bulk movement of materials, obviously you're going to clear out the hole. That's not a big deal. But man, I am really impressed. Okay, let's see what we can do. See if we can do it again. Yep, just keeps going. Let's just drill a little hole sideways. Get all those little creatures. Might be a little too deep. There we go. Can you see that? That is just, that's clay. Clay. Come on. Get off there, clay. I can't even get it off the drill. That's when you know your clay's serious. Or you're fooling around in the compost pile. Alright, so I had a consolation prize. I was gonna do this little bed here. You know, this little pot. You can see those little, I was gonna do that just to make it look good. But I don't need to. Of course I can get through that. It's all nice soil. If the drill till can get through Arizona caliche, man, I am so impressed. Here's what else. And it's doing all this with a drill that is literally burned up. I mean, I can smell it right now. I don't know if you can smell that. Probably not, being in YouTube land. But that an absolutely pleasant surprise. I am surprised that this works so well. Huh. Maybe I'll go back to in-ground composting. Okay. Well, we got things loosened up. We got a little dirt out of there. That is unreal. I did not think that was going to work, especially with the extension. So, let's get today's, it's just normal stuff, right? Today's craft project for my kids. Coffee ground, cucumber, from the cucumber plants over there. So, dump it in. It's not pretty. Man, they don't bring me around for beauty. They bring me around for my drill till. There we go. I am delighted. All right, so that's done. I didn't expect that to work. Not at all. I didn't even have a shovel. So, now that that's like that, a couple weeks we'll be ready to plant. Most people actually pay attention. Try to be wise about when they plant stuff, but me, I'm just gonna wait until I want to plant something, for the fall garden. It is the end of September here in Phoenix area, so it means we can plant about anything. But I'm waiting another couple weeks to put in my my fall stuff. So that's not really true. I just kind of fill a hole when something dies, and then I never take it out. And so we got a little vine there trying to come back, and our basil, we've never touched it. It just keeps growing. There's another one under there. This vine is clobbering our other bed I got right there. You can see they're going to seed. I got my stevia. I've got my bag of nothing right there. Got volunteer zinnias. I plucked the heads. Man, this has nothing to do with the drill till. Anyways, here, this will be kind of fun. Let's just grab some seeds. Maybe they'll grow. Right? Maybe they won't. But who cares? We can drill with a drill till. So, hey, made in the USA drill till with a hole digger, tilling head, and a weed out. I could care less about the weed out. The tilling head's fine, but that hole digger, that is gold to me. So, does this product work? Yeah, KB Industries Incorporated out of Morris. You are rocking it, and I am that happy right now too. Impressive.